It's finally arrived. A couple weeks ago, I ordered a, well, not ordered, but I bought a 1984 Harley Evo engine off of Facebook Marketplace, shipped it via Fastenal, and we've been having crazy weather here down in the southeast, so it was a little bit delayed, but it's here now, and I'm gonna go pick it up. This is gonna be the first piece of the puzzle to the chopper I'm building, which I'm gonna do like a series on. I don't know how many parts it'll be. Just kind of go with the flow type of deal. But yeah, let's head over to Fastenal and go pick it up. Here we go. Man, I'm so excited. I've been waiting, impatiently waiting 2 weeks for this thing. Now I've just got a few more months until the frame's ready. But let's go in and see what's going on. All right, cool. So let's pull around back and they're gonna load us up. I think they're unloading a truck right now. So once they get the truck unloaded, they said they can, I can pull back up and they can load me up. Nice. You're good. You got like another 6 inches before you. Yeah. No, I appreciate it. You're good right there. What a great experience. First time going through Fastenal like that, but there we go. Got it loaded up. I got my paperwork. So let's hit the road, go back to the house, and see what's what. All right, well, let's open it up and see what it looks like. We'll do it quickly because it's freezing. Now, I got this thing off the marketplace. It's a 1984. It's out of a 1984 Evo. It's out of a Softail. 29,000 miles. Has a S&S Super B. Supposedly an Andrews EV27 cam. We'll see. And Ultima single fire ignition, which I may be changing it out to points. I know if anybody bothers to comment or bothers to watch, they'll comment that they disagree, but I want to run points. So anyway, let's get on with it. I bought this from A&D Swap Shop. A&D Swap Shop. You can find them on Facebook. Super smooth transaction. I dealt with Kenny. He was, very, very professional, and everything moved like clockwork. So I recommend them if you're looking for any kind of parts or anything like that. And it's a trustworthy operation over there. Haha! Nice. So let's see. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, there's Ultima. I'm gonna be replacing points. I'm gonna replacing it with points. Looks like it need a exhaust stud right there. Those are all there. The old gasket's still in there too. We need to get that out. But I'm gonna go through them. I'm gonna open up the timing chest and see if that Andrew's cam really is in there. And if it isn't, I'll put it in there. But yeah, there's the S&S Super B. We'll take that apart, do a video on that, take that whole thing apart and clean it up. We'll do a video on polishing these heads up. This engine came from Florida, so you can expect it to have a little bit of, oh snappy, a little bit of corrosion. But I think most of that will clean right up. We'll do a whole, you know, cleaning on this thing. Looks good though. Got the rectifier up here. We'll do a nice good cleaning on the whole thing. Make a video of that, you know, disassembly of the carb, cleaning, polishing up the heads and the air cover air intake cover. But you know, I might make my own air cleaner. Might run that one just because the S&S teardrop is pretty iconic. But we'll see. We'll see how it cleans up. I kind of want to make my own. Should have my frame at the end of March and get to work on this thing. Start mocking it up. Anyway, thanks for watching. Leave a like or a comment, subscribe. Help a cracker out.